I'm Dr. Mudit Khanna, Senior Orthopaedic Consultant and Joint Replacement Surgeon at the South Mumbai unit of Wockhardt Hospitals. And today I will just take a brief moment to explain why we selected the Stryker Mako system as the robot of choice for our patients. As you're aware, there are a number of robotic systems and every robot is not the same. Now, there are certain advantages that are offered by the Mako robot which are not offered by other systems. There are three factors that I would like to highlight which are unique to the Stryker system, to the Mako system, to the Makoplasty that we now perform using a Mako robot. The first is the fact that we do a pre-operative CT scan of the patient. This allows us to identify any unique or different changes in an individual's patient's anatomy and therefore allows us to plan a knee for that particular patient. As you would agree, all knees will not be the same. So we cannot have the same plan for every knee. Since we have a pre-operative CT scan which is analyzed by the Mako system, we have a personalized plan for every patient. The second unique feature of the Stryker Mako system is the fact that it has an AccuStop haptic technology. Now the AccuStop and the haptic technology in the most simple terms means that it is a safety margin built in that the robotic arm or the robotic saw that we use to perform the surgery will not cross the haptic boundaries that have been set on the CT scan, which means that there is almost negligible likelihood that we will go beyond the margins of the bone and the chances of causing any damage to the soft tissues becomes almost negligible. And the third is obviously the excellent data analytics, which means every data that is captured by multiple points right from the pre-operative CT scan to the dynamic recording that is happening during the surgery is being analyzed and being optimized to give the best result and the most personalized outcome for that particular patient. Now that is what sets this system apart, and this system has shown consistently good results over a prolonged period of time, and that remains a robot of choice for us.